How to verify purchases with fingerprint or face on Play Store. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store. Click on the game you want to install. Simply click on Install, and at the bottom you'll find Verify Purchases with Fingerprint or Faces. Use password, you can also use that. Click on I agree and then scan your Face ID or your fingerprint. After you have done that, you will simply be able to install the app. As you can see, I verified it and my app is installed on the device. And this is how to verify purchases with fingerprint or face on Play Store. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.